So, bird update. And trigger warning if you're feeling sensitive today. And I've already made a lot of people cry with this bird. I'm sorry. After I finished the live stream, it only took 2 minutes and I found 2 worms. And although I had the little baby bird beside me, my intention was to squish up the worms. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I couldn't squish them. I tried, and it made my whole body like convulse. Thou shalt not kill. I cannot kill many things so that one baby bird. A baby bird who doesn't even have maybe, I don't know, a few % of a chance to actually live and thrive. Robins are known. They don't step in and take care of each other. Robins will push an egg out of the nest if they think it could contaminate or if it's not strong enough before they hatch. Thank you to Blue, who had a friend she could talk to give me information. I think the biggest learning curve lesson of all this is that I cannot save everyone, which I already knew. And it would have been different. There's the potential for that baby bird to thrive. It would have been a good chance, right? But I can't just squish up a bunch of worms, even once. When I found the worms, I could feel them screaming, like, what are you doing? They were fine until I went and disturbed them. And if I had never seen the egg beside me, I would have never even known about it. And the circle of life and nature would have taken care of itself. You know, see this with the awe and wonder of having been able to see something birth through the egg that I would have never seen. But it can't be a puppet master of one thing that deserves to live and other things that deserve to die. And that's the choice I made today. I'm gonna leave it at that. We're all being tested with different things. Somebody listening might think, like, what the fuck? Like, one little baby robin egg and worms. What the fuck's wrong with this chick? Right? But for me, this was huge. The feeling of it, my heart space, the wanting so much for something to live, and the knowing that it's not pure for me. Anyways, he's done.